Say hello to the new ROG Zephyrus S. Today, we're giving you the top 5 things we love about this latest ultra-slim gaming laptop by ASUS Republic of Gamers. Number 1. The new Zephyrus is way even slimmer than the first Zephyrus. At just 14.95 to 15.75mm thin, this masterpiece is 12% slimmer than the original Zephyrus. It utilizes an all-metal chassis made from a mix of aluminum and magnesium alloy. This ensures the perfect balance between durability and weight. In fact, it takes nearly 72 minutes just to carve out the intricate details, which results in a lid that is remarkably rigid yet slim. Its engineering samples have also met military-grade durability standards for jolts and vibration. Number 2. Zephyrus S uses the innovative and upgraded Aerodynamic System, which involves opening a special vent underneath the chassis when the laptop is opened. This is pretty much similar with what we have with the Zephyrus M and the old Zephyrus. Only now, the intake measures 5mm and stretches across the entire back of the body, which results to 22% improved airflow. The laptop also uses 5 heat pipes to pull heat away from the CPU, the GPU, and the VRM circuitry that feeds them power. The CPU and the GPU connect to shared and dedicated heatsinks to ensure optimal cooling in any workload. It's also equipped with self-cleaning fans that eject particles from the system through anti-dust tunnels, preventing accumulation on the fins. Number 3. Speaking of RGB lights, the new Zephyrus S has integrated RGB lighting, which allows gamers to customize the colors on the laptop to their liking. There are 4 independent zones that illuminate the keyboard, while additional LEDs provide a subtle glow inside the AES vent. With AuraSync, gamers can also synchronize the lighting effects with compatible peripherals. Number 4. The new Zephyrus S and the new 17-inch SCAR 2 are the first ones that will have Armory Crate. It's the upgraded version of ROG Gaming Center, and it's way simpler and easier to use than ever. During the media briefing, ASUS Republic of Gamers confirmed that they will initially make Armory Crate available to Zephyrus S and the 17-inch SCAR 2, and there's a chance that they will bring it to other older devices in the future. And finally, number 5. The new Zephyrus has an overstroke technology which improves the keyboard's responsiveness. This tech fires earlier in the key travel for quicker responsiveness, and the longer post-actuation distance maximizes the 1.2mm of travel to improve the overall typing feel. The N key rollover feature also ensures that each press registers precisely as intended, regardless of how many keys are mashed at once. Apart from the top 5 features that I like about the Zephyrus S, here are some notable features that we equally love. The Zephyrus S has a 100% sRGB rating, 15.6-inch IPS display with 144Hz refresh rate and 3 ms response time. It runs on the 6-core 12-thread Intel Core i7 8750H with 16GB of 2666MHz DDR4 RAM. And for internal storage, there's an ultra-fast PCIe NVMe 512GB M.2 SSD, which can also be found in the old Zephyrus. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus S or the GX531 will be available in all ROG stores nationwide this October 2018. What do you guys think about the new Zephyrus S? How much do you think this will be? As of the production of this video, ASUS has not yet officially announced the SRP, but we're betting that this will be below 145,000 pesos.